Is Shiba Inu hanging on for dear life? Let's find out in this video. Let's talk about Shiba Inu and what I think could potentially happen next for meme coins as they kind of consolidate. We've seen a bit of a correction, and by the way guys, in bullish markets 10, 20, 30 and even sometimes 40% corrections are absolutely normal. So I can imagine a lot of new investors in the markets right now, especially people that have kind of bought sort of the upper regions of Shiba Inu, are feeling a little bit paranoid, a little bit anxious. So I just want to talk about it. We can see price of Shiba Inu $18.35 billion market cap. The price is 0.0000312. Looking over the day, it has been a bit of a downtrend over here. So just want to talk about it. But first, if you are new here, please do subscribe if you're looking to hit your crypto goals this 2024 and this upcoming bull run. Please do that, and let's crack on. So just looking over here at Shiba Inu on the 4-hour time frame, we did finally get a bit of a sell-off, and we were expecting a sell-off here. This tight range, we had so many impulse swings to the upside on the RSI, going up to levels of 90 on the RSI, which does reflect it being overbought in the market. So we are coming back down, a bit of a correction in the market, as you can see. But the question is, am I worried just yet? Am I actually thinking that the meme season is over? It's a big question, and the answer is no. I'm really not. I'm not worried about Shiba Inu just yet. Only if we fold through 0.00002563 do I think there could be a problem here for Shiba. Obviously, you've got a lot of support written in around that particular region. You can see those two lovely looking support candles here where the buybacks were very, very immediate. But overall, I'm not actually worried about Shiba right now at its current price level. We can see, just looking from this euphoric top to where we are now, it's only been 2 days and 16 hours, guys. So try not to panic, and just to quickly go back to where we were. Just, looking at another video recently and looking at the price of Shiba. Don't know why it loves to do this to me. I have to scroll all the way back. If you're still here, you're an OG. Thank you very much for not running away. So we can see, yeah, last time this happened, guys, 28 days of exactly what's happening now. However, this time round, we're kind of forming, I suppose actually you could sort of see, what we're forming now is very similar to this symmetrical triangle that happened here. Because there was a symmetrical triangle, as you can see it, kind of just like here. So this is a symmetrical triangle that happened, and then it actually just went into more like consolidation. And this one here actually lasted 4 days, this particular pattern right here. So I've actually just identified that right now. That's new information to me. And then just continued trading sideways for a whole 28 days. So fast forward back to where we are. My room is so hot, and I'm on like coffee number 10, by the way. So if I look a bit sweaty, I'm pretty much sweating it out, you could say, over here. For Shiba, right now we're 2 days in. And yes, it could break out to the upside. Yes, it could break to the downside. But for me, that's not really relevant right now. I don't expect any euphoric rushes. And even if it does break out to the upside, we know that we could come back down. We could still come back down lower, lower, lower. But I think as long as on the kind of macro, we're playing a pattern that looks like this, I think we need to stay within a tight range. Like I've said a few times, for Shiba, I think we just need to trade sideways in a tight range, give it some time to consolidate, because obviously, smart money and the whales, they want to create this suspense now. And, it's just my big, conspiracy, if you want to call it that. But I personally think, they need to see retail money buy back in. If they can create another pump, retailers might, then FOMO back in all over again. So you've had FOMO round 1, and now this creates the, the big what if, what's happening next. Now, if you see another rally, the FOMO will be very, very intense again, which could be intense enough to actually make Shiba Inu hit an all-time high. So I'm not really worried right now about the overall, what's going on with Shiba Inu. And I know it's probably easy to panic, but it's only been 2 days since that very local top that we saw, and we do want to see Shiba Inu effectively fight back and hit that $0.000087. And if you did buy in around here, happily take some profits off the table. You don't have to hold because people are telling you to. De-risk, maybe take back your original capital, leave the rest running completely free Shiba tokens. What's wrong with that? That's absolutely awesome. But hopefully, guys, you can just see what's going on here. And like I say, I'm not worried until this support of 0.000025 is breached. And right now, I don't see it being breached. So it could hopefully be good on the Bollinger Band. So we're just sitting under the 20-day moving average on the daily time frame. It is now 3 consecutive daily red candles, but again, we're going to see some downtrends. You can't only go up forever. And if you do reflect, back to the start of this pump, Shiba is still up a whopping 234%. So, you know, if you got in early, you're still looking good. If you got in at the top, I can understand you're feeling anxious, and that's absolutely fine. Google Trends is still reflecting a lot of search volume over here, so still a lot of, you know, overall interest for Shiba Inu, and the news is still absolutely there, and, you know, the headlines are looking pretty, I would say, bullish. I would say they're not bearish, so they still kind of want, you know, the narrative is people are holding. Hopefully they're not dumping and selling out of fear, but it looks like people are holding, and I wouldn't want to make any irrational moves right now myself. I wouldn't want to go long or short unless I was absolutely certain, but right now I'm just waiting to see what can happen. I do think we could see another upside if we can see Bitcoin and the rest of the market also pick up at the same time. Now, this is an interesting little article here. Crypto analyst optimistic about a Shiba Inu short-term surge to 0.000066. Shiba has displayed immense momentum lately, standing out as one of the best performing meme coins in the light of general optimism, as we know, and they're speculating, you know, the 0.66 level could actually be possible. And this is actually Rect Capital that wrote this, I believe. Well, I'm not 100% sure, but it does quote Rect Capital, who's also a very big trader. He gets quite a lot of his early forecasts very kind of accurate, you know. Of course, not as accurate as me, of course, but no, I'm joking. He's a really good guy. Yeah, I mean, that's probably quite a realistic way to look at it. It's not too bullish, it's not too unrealistic. And if you look at other memes right now, you can see very similar patterns all round. When you look at Bitcoin versus Doge, Pepe, very similar charting, and it kind of makes me think they're not pegged, of course, but the larger caps are moving quite close together. I checked Solana, and this actually looks really anomalous, and I think that's, of course, because of the insane growth of dApps and meme coins on the Solana ecosystem, and this meme season has just overall helped Solana grow anyway, which is absolutely crazy to see. Quick update, folks. I want to also share with you an update on Scotty the AI, because this is moving so quick I can't even keep up anymore. I got a bit more information, because some of you are probably wondering. Public round 15, there's 22 public rounds. The price is going up by 5% every single time. One Scotty is 0.00805 right now. And yeah, this is interesting. So there's only 7 rounds left. The hard cap is $5.1 million, which I found out too. So just to give you some more information, of course, it's 1.7 billion tokens, which isn't a huge amount. So we could actually see this one potentially surge. And if you look at the meme market right now, I saw a meme coin today. I think it was Meme AI or something like that. I'm pretty sure it was Meme AI. There was a meme coin pumping called Meme AI. Let's just double check. Let's verify this data. Yep, Meme AI. So it's telling me that meme coins with AI sort of touches, where meme meets artificial intelligence, they're still looking pretty juicy, and this one here is pumped massively. So Scotty AI could be another contender out here that has not yet gone live. And what really makes me excited, if you look at the plans, phase 3, centralized exchange listings. They've also got a DEX as well as chat with Scotty Beta, which is going to be like some sort of AI platform where you can maybe consult or talk and get predictions about the market and stuff. So yeah, look forward to seeing that. CoinGecko CMC listings will come too, and ample liquidity for the DEXs. Now remember, this is not a KYC or doxed ICO like Meme Combat was, but I do think we could potentially see some gains here. Personally, I think as well, you know, don't tell the developers I said this, but for me, my own strategy, I would be this late on in a pre-sale. I wouldn't be staking, because I want full flexibility over claiming my tokens and selling them when I want to, not having to wait, you know, 7 or days or whatever. That's because you don't know if it could 10x very quickly at the start, and it might not actually recover after 7 days. We don't know these things. This is all risky, right? Not financial advice, but we do know memes are a big thing right now. So I just wanted to do a quick update with a Scotty AI, as I really hope it can bring some gains like Meme Combat did. 4,729 followers. 4 minutes ago, they're just tweeting an announcement of $3.5 million raised, and it says they're well on their way to closing out pre-sale, heading for $100 million market capital. So it's a big goal. Yeah, let me know what you think about the Scotty AI one as well, guys. Of course, Shiba Inu's done a massive thing. This one could potentially do something good. A 10x takes it to a $50 million. And of course, that $100 million target is a 20x. So that's a really big ask, but I think it could potentially happen. So yeah, aped in already. Aped into this one. Don't tell my financial advisor. I'm joking. But you know, these things, you got to follow the trends. The money is here in memes right now. ICOs perform much better in these particular markets where we are seeing, you know, Bitcoin bullish with a valuation of the blockchain industry at 2.55 trillion. ICOs, pre-sales, low market cap coins just typically trend so much better. Just look at the recent ones like Smog, Bayat, Meme Combat. They've all delivered some sort of profits to holders. So hopefully Scotty AI can be next. And Shiba Inu, I really hope you can just do what you need to do. Hopefully you can just trade within this range. And I think right now, just try not to panic. I know it's easy to panic, get emotional, but try not to let it sort of invalidate your logic at all. And you guys, if you're new here, please join my Discord. It is linked down below. Consider also becoming a patron if you want to unlock over 500 trading signals per month, as well as learn about early insights around stealth launches, straight to DEX tokens, and all of the crypto gems I'm actually looking to buy right now. I'm going to share some with you guys very soon, ones I recently just bought quite a big position of. Crypto Legends, 13 slots left. Crypto Champion, 2 slots left. And of course, more budget friendly options here as well. Thanks for supporting. Stay crypto safe. And yeah, I wish you guys all prosperity and some big crypto gains. Peace.